Additional tip, if you are new to freelancing and you're looking forward na magkaroon ng mga licenses and certifications, simply turn on your premium account. Kasi every free LinkedIn account, you can subscribe to the free 30 days na premium. So, para to make the most out of the premium account while you are still doing the challenge, go into the learning. Doon sa learning part, dito, click nyo to. You will see this. Okay, after nyong na switch yung account nyo to premium, learning, click nyo yung learning. So, why do I advise this? Kasi yung mga, especially dun sa mga newbies that they are still gaining confidence, certificates. So, you don't have to get yung mga magbayad ng napakarami kasi pwede nyo namang gawing free yan sa LinkedIn. Click nyo lang i-convert nyo lang yung account nyo to the premium account, then hindi kayo i-charge niyan. They will only charge you after the 30 days. Click learning, i-avail nyo yung mga trainings doon, and then at the end of the training, meron silang ibibigay sa inyo ng mga certificates that you can get and you can share it with your network. So, ayan. Then, if you are proactively looking for a job, may part din dito sa LinkedIn where you can search for jobs. Click that and it will allow you to scroll yung mga jobs na nagmamatch dun sa mga skills na nilagay nyo sa inyong profile. So, LinkedIn will automatically give you jobs, they will suggest jobs for you that matches your skills and your about section and about your profile. Para match talaga siya, hindi kayo fish out of water. Ayun. And if you can also see here, makikita nyo yung mga sinisave nyo ng mga jobs, or pwede nyo itong i-edit, yung ano yung preference nyo. Then, may mga tips din na ibibigay sa LinkedIn, mga interview prep, and job seeker guidance. Ayan siya. Talaga, lahat-lahat dito na kay LinkedIn. All you need to do is explore kung ano yung mga features na pwede niyang maibigay sa inyo. And don't be afraid. Kahit na sa tingin nyo hindi kayo qualify for the job, just go for it. You never know unless trinay mo. Then, halimbawa naman, for like messaging, ito siya. Click nyo lang to and then this will direct you sa mga messages from potential clients. And then may mga filters din dyan. Filters to help you arrange your inbox. And the notification, i-click nyo yan para ma-notify kayo sa sino yung nag-comment sa post nyo, o yung mga thought leaders na gusto nyong i-engage. Yun.